once again, congratulations to the people and the governments of the Philippines and to the Moro Islamic Revolution Front for the conclusion of all the annexes. Yeah.
Sir Nico Dizon from Inquirer, when do we expect the comprehensive agreement to be signed? This will be in Manila, right?
Everybody and I want it to be very soon.
Even tomorrow.
Even tomorrow if possible. But as for the venue, we have not yet discussed the venue of the signing. I think the most difficult part of the negotiation on the Bangsamoro waters is convincing our counterpart to agree with us.
But then thankfully we agreed with each other. But certainly, I think you are aware that we did hold an executive session first week of January where we were able to sort out most of the differences, and that probably partly explains the level of anticipation that we had for this round, that we will be able to complete these two documents, and here we are. Now we have signed the two documents.
From A to Z, it has been full of challenges. But with the cooperation and determination of all the parties, including the facilitating country and His Excellency, I think no obstacles would stand in the way. Inshallah.
There's no other letter to add after letter C, so I can only agree with what my counterpart has said.